Yeah. Mhm.
Emily's just starting out, and on a budget. Like a ramen noodle every night budget. She thought Allstate car insurance was out of her reach until she heard about the value plan. Dollar for dollar, nobody protects you like Allstate.
You never know what the economy is going to throw at you. And when you're trying to reach your financial dreams, it can make planning tough. But the principle can help. With more than 130 years of investment management experience, you can help build, grow, and protect your financial future so you can step to the plate with more confidence. Call your advisor and start planning now at dreamagain.com.
He just turned on auto fueling too.
34 points, 10 assists, 7 rebounds, 10 of 20 shooting for LeBron. Miami to big 98-93 win over Oklahoma City.
And as promised, ESPN's Stephen A. Smith joins us live on Sports Center. Stephen, what's your biggest takeaway from this great game tonight?
Well, LeBron James stepped up and great moments, obviously. You feel the way he played in three quarters because he sees the legends in the fourth quarter. But clearly, over the last few games, he's done just that, and tonight was no different. He stepped up throughout the game. He was in attack mode throughout the game and seemed to be paying rapt attention to the attention being brought down on him. And whether or not he's going to show up in a big game against a superstar like Kevin Durant, he did just that. Outdoing Kevin Durant, 34, 10, and 7 with just 2 turnovers. He showed up. He produced in 41 minutes. And Kevin Durant obviously had the 9 turnovers. LeBron James just played an absolutely outstanding game tonight. Deserves a lot of credit, and it's something that will be taken into strong consideration. As I was working and leaving the arena, Alonzo Mourning, former star for the Miami Heat, came up to me and said, "You know who the league MVP is. Stop holding back, Stephen A. Stop holding back." I said, "I'm still reserving right to hold on to my judgment until the season is over." But clearly, you got a lot of supporters.
Yeah. Well, actually, no. Not always. Majority, like 90% of the time, I do.
Several times in their life. Tonight, special night. Of course, this big game in Miami, the Heat and Thunder, and then 2.9 miles away is the opening of the new Orleans ballpark. A lot of excitement, anticipation on this night. What was the atmosphere?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Usually in Miami with so much to do, people are showing up in the second quarter or by halftime. The rest is on that time. Tonight they were packed pretty much from the very beginning of the game. So clearly everybody was looking forward to it. 12 hours and all this stuff over there. They didn't get it done in their home opener, but it's a long baseball season and they'll be absolutely fine. But tonight in the city of Miami, there was enough everywhere you look. All anybody was talking about was this basketball game and that new stadium.
Me?
The champions.
Fucking Padres. Rangers. I'm dude, it's first inning and I'm up 1-0. Like, how bad are you, kid? He has Feliz. Oh. Well, nah, dude, it doesn't matter because he has the wrong team. He's supposed to be the Cubs. And as you can see, he's the Rangers. Yep. I'm just taking proof right now. I'm gonna send him a message right now telling him. Actually, let me see.
And then Gary Neal pulling up on Brad.
I'll get the win either way, dude, even if he votes for himself, you know, since we're premium.
Celtics down 5 there in the fourth. Keon Doolin.
Yeah.
Doesn't get the
writing him a message now. No, I don't. Oh, I have no idea. Yeah. Yeah.
San Antonio's win combined with OKC's loss holds the Spurs to within a game of the top spot in the West. The Spurs have 13 games to go under. 12 more times. Meantime, the great of the NBA won't be allowed to move John Calipari away from the blue grass of Kentucky. 2 days after winning his first national championship, Cal said he has no plans to move Lexington.
Yeah.
Despite
Yeah.
others suggesting